possible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. I hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Morning, Phoenix. How are you? Take a gander here at the markets in 1 second. Okay, markets red. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's look at the markets, shall we? Shall we? Not much movement after another huge rise up yesterday. It's basically straight up all day long. Looks like our dip down to 50.92. Is that right? Yeah, 50.92. Dipped down a couple of times. Looks like the high was 51.04, so about 12 points of range on the ES and Q. Dipped under 17,000 by 3 ticks, 17,999.25. It looks like the high was 18,054. So only about 54 points of range, kind of a small range overnight. Copper was moving though. Copper about 120 ticks in range. Gold. Oops, gold's already broken my yellow line. There we go. About 13 points in range. Ultravand also broke my line. It's only about half a point in range though. Crude oil dumping. It's about 120 ticks, and we have natural gas coming down. And Bitcoin has going below 51,000, continuing to fall. Dollar index is down. That's where he sits standing there with every body posture. Excuse me, you're choosing to take this morning. No news this, excuse me, I have a little hiccup. No news this morning. Checking that to make sure, but pretty sure. Yep, no news. Nothing at all. Fed speaker in the afternoon, that's it. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? CL is down here, bottom row, third in, where my cursor's at right now. All right. Do you remember your entry? And what are you trading, Crypt? I mean, like you said the other day, you weren't sure you're gonna be able to get any other accounts. So were you able to get your PA account? And Q popping up a little bit. Excellent. That's a nice move up. Cool. Crude just dumped down Crypt. Purple candle down to 77.21. All right. Oh, nice bounce there for you on crude. Back up to 77.30. And Q up to 18,046. I said our high overnight was 54. So near those highs. ES also near their highs. All-time highs were hit yesterday. All-time high on NQ 18,087. All-time high on ES 5107.75. See if we get back there today, if we do some profit taking. Wow, look at that quick rise up. Nice move up here. Pulls back here at 18,046. Remember, if you're enjoying the stream or expect to enjoy the stream, appreciate if you gore that like button. Hey Hassan, how you doing? Why is that? Oh, did someone get their wires crossed? Or are they trying to bring people back from futures back over to forex? I keep struggling here at 18,050. Market likes those halves and holes. Definitely struggling here. Zero news catalysts today. Yeah, that would have got me hyped too. I mean, I'm not, don't really need any more accounts right now, but I would have gone for it. Definitely seems to be hitting a wall here. Can the wall come tumbling down near the wall? You're starting to enjoy being frustrated? How exactly does that work? It's breaking down a bit. Okay, that's cool. Anytime you can start seeing the market better, that's definitely a good thing. 54 is our overnight high. It's dangling at 51. There's 52. Yep. Then there's a breakdown. Did not get back up to the overnight high. Back down to 48. But it's running back up. There it is. There's 1854, 18054. Nice job. And we did just break highs now, 18055. So slowness here. It's something to rock the market. As Nightbot just said, we are giving away a blue sky static growth account. We'll be doing that next Thursday, Leap Day. To enter, click on that link that Nightbot just posted and do the various actions. Get in, get yourself an entry and see if you can leap into a blue sky static growth account. Hey Micah, how you doing? Pulls back a little bit. Maybe 18,060 or new high today. Yeah, I'm thinking the same with no news catalysts. And then maybe some profit taking in the afternoon. Still going now. Back up to 60, hit 61.50. ES 51.03. Its overnight high was 51.0425, so it's just about there. Wake me up when it decides to do something. Wake me up before you go. Gold with a big drop. Crude oil hanging right there around 77.20. Russell popping up a little bit. Ultra Bond popping up a little bit at its open. Dow coming down a bit. It's still going. Still rocking and rolling. Remember those 90 and 91% sales are going at Bulenox and Apex. Apex also no minimum trading days. Dow with a quick burst up there. 16 points. Russell heading back up, gold heading down, crude heading down. New high day up there on the ES. Pulls back down now, slightly. Got it, the 65 quarter now showing some movement down. Yes, for the most part, Micah, static's the easiest to pass as long as it's a decent static account that gives you enough starting drawdown. The drawdown doesn't follow you like it does on intraday or end of day drawdown. It's one static amount, and so the more you win, the further you get from it. So it's easier to not have to worry about that drawdown following you. No, ABS Bulenox still has their whatever their minimum trading days are. I forget how many days it is. It's Apex that has the no minimum trading days. Give me a second on that question, Micah. It's a very Micah. That is a very tight drawdown. So I mean, it's really cheap right now. So as long as you're willing to stick to micros to start off, while you build up your buffer and stuff, that then it's okay. But you're gonna have to stay with micros at least to start off with. Pulls down here. Am I not logged in? I'm not logged in. How come I'm not logged in? Okay, where am I logged in at? Uh-oh, I'm losing. No, no, okay. I thought I was losing connection. Let's see. Where am I logged in? I hate playing this game. Let me be sure. Oh, that's where I'm logged in at. Okay, found it. And let's get logged in. Right back up there. Okay. Did I log into the right one? Crap. Yeah, I did. There we go. I think I'm in the right one, right? No, that's not the right one. I'll get it here eventually, guys. There we go. That's the right one. Okay. And right back up, new high. Why did my background music end? Huh, there we go. Well, let's rise back up. Up to 18,071. Yeah. For the fact that, that static account's like 13 bucks right now, it's, if you want to play with it, it's not going to hurt as long as you have 13 bucks to spare. And I say that because there's months I did not have 13 bucks to spare. Oh, you're welcome, AVS Phoenix, and I appreciate you saying that. Nice rise up here. So boom. So I should have taken these blue candles. You can see here they've been great trade. Dow popping up. Everything's popping. Hopping, stopping, popping. Not gonna wrap it. Do have an ECB, Europe Central Bank speaker speaking right now. I don't know whether or not he's causing this pop. So beautiful rise up here. Yesterday's high, which we now need to look at. Actually, we're there, almost there. 18,087, yesterday's high, which is all-time high. We got within 5 points of that. ES 5107. It's at 5106, so we're about ready to hit all-time highs again. Trying again to get up to all-time highs. Again, couldn't quite get there yet. 82's been the high on these last 3 1-minute candles. Crypticon, if you're not watching that trade, you might want to. Hopefully you had a stop loss in place. Pulling back now again. He's in a crude oil trade long. About 20 minutes till crude opens. So a nice trade right here. I missed it. Stupid. How's everybody else doing out there? Feel free to join us in the chat. Questions, comments are always welcome. I wonder where everybody's at this morning. No Sid Chase, no John DeFore, no JC. Well, JC's usually kind of late on a Friday because he has grandkids. Nice move down here. Nice drop. So we're finally seeing the drop. Hey, John. Golf trades show. Something tells me that's not for the bank. How you doing, John? So big move down here on this 5-minute candle from 79 down to 57, 22-point drop. Excellent job, John. And bounce back up. I did see that. I don't know much about Gio Ursula or however he pronounces his name. Seems like it's your Nick Maton replacement. Am I right? Let me go look at his stats. Eh, decent, if but not really spectacular. Has some pop, but though the pop kind of disappeared last year. Yeah, I mean, if he can regain what he had back in like 2019, 2020, that'd be nice. Yeah, I knew the name. I needed a refresher. I remember now. Yeah, he had some great years as a Yankee, great OPS, but kind of fell off there. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a great deal. I think it's definitely an upgrade over Maton. Some nice pullback here. Oh, crude just boomed. So hopefully Crypticon was still in that trade. it's a deal with not much risk for the Tigers, really. I mean, if he works out, then it's wonderful. If not, 1.5 million is chump change anymore. It'll pop back up. So, John, I did apply for the Replicanto. I'm just waiting to hear back. They should approve me. I assume I gotta wait until they get into the office this morning or whatever. But so I assume I'll be approved sometime today. So if you still want to grab those Apex accounts, remember you need to do it before Sunday night. Okie dokie. Right back up. 18,072. So we had a pullback from 1882 down to 1855. It's at 27 points. Now we're right back heading up toward that high. Yeah, I guess I should have it someplace on the Discord. Give me a second. There you go. Need to do a video about it as well. You're welcome and thank you. Oh, look at this rise back up. Pulls back a little bit. Nothing exciting here so far. We are about 35 minutes till the bell, about 5 minutes till the top of the hour. I think actually Bulenox is leading. Bulenox always does better for me than Apex does for some reason. I think it's just because more people promote Apex, so more people already have other people's cookies. Oh, I don't know, but I usually do better on uh, Bulenox than Apex. Let's see. Since this sale started, prices are about the same. So let me see. Yeah, right now Bulenox is leading. About 20 sales, it looks like. Hey, Jay. What do you say? Sorry, that was bad. How you doing, Jay? Yep. Can't go wrong with either one. Bulenox would do well if they reduced their PA prices on their higher accounts, and if they got Tradovate. More and more people are liking Tradovate, I've noticed. Yeah, I think I do better with Bulenox because like CFT doesn't really promote Bulenox aggressively, whereas obviously Apex is his number one. So I think that's one of the reasons. Dropping down here, dropping down low with the Rooster Crow. Oh, sorry. Markets just kind of here. I didn't take any of that move up, and I should have, but we'll see what we get. No news catalyst today, so I was expecting choppiness and didn't really respond to that nice up move. Oh yeah, that's a good point too. I do want to start. I'm going to work this weekend on getting a template done on how I want to do both video reviews and written reviews of at least the 13 prop firms, and start working on getting reviews of the props done throughout the month of March. And I want to start putting some, you know, the title of this channel is MightyOxTrading. I need to get some more actual trading content on the channel. It's mostly just been about prop firms, whether it's not, whether that's telling you about features or new things about the prop firms, or just, the prop firm discount snapshot, etc. I think the channel needs. I need to get some more actual trading content on there, whether it's like a you know my trade of the week or reviewing what I've done for the week, things like that. I think I need to start getting more than that, so it's not just a one-dimensional. Hey, this is on sale, or hey, this prop firm did this, and it's a mixture of both. Rising back up. Top of the hour. Crude pulls back a little bit. Full clip trade of the week. Brought to you by JC. Morning, RJ. Well, definitely take any suggestions of what you guys would like to see, like in prop firm reviews. So I can come up with content that people want. Try to get back up to that high of 18,082 or the all-time high from yesterday, 18,087. RJ jumps in and immediately goes long. Jen got up to 85, so we got within two of the all-time highs that hit yesterday. Part of me believes we're going to come down at the open. Obviously, I'm not going to gamble and play that, but part of me, that's what part of me feels. Oh yeah, can go either way, but I don't know. And you know what? I'm lying. NQ is not at all-time highs. I apologize. Yesterday's highs. It is not all-time highs. I think ES is all-time high. NQ had 1 day higher back on the 12th. It hit 121. So I apologize. I've said all-time high here multiple times, and I realize I should just be talking about yesterday's high. Yesterday's high. That's one way to do it. Boom or bust. Oh, there we go. Wow, whoosh. Touches, it breaks yesterday's high, then it's like it got burned and just pulled back. Coming down. So broke that high from yesterday. Pulled back by about 10. Nice job, RJ. Comes in, gets a win within 5 minutes, and then could ride off into the sunset if he wanted to. Not the sunset's like still 10 hours away. Yeah, I noticed that. I was talking to you and you didn't respond. uh, Heading up again. Trying to get back to where it was. About 21 minutes till the bell. Assuming we'll see Ace pop in shortly. Awesome. In case anyone missed the futures prop firm discount snapshot from today, there's the link if you want to give me a view on that. And a thumbs up if anyone feels like it. There's 18,090. Are we going to get back up to 18,100 and then possibly to the all-time highs? And back down. Up and down, up and down. All right. Profit taking coming, you think? Tries to pop back up. Well, tell her I said hi and have yourself a great weekend, JC. We shall see you Monday. Morning, Ace. How are you doing? I'm doing all right. Trying again. Can it hit 18.9? I'm sorry, 18.100 before the bell? Yes, this keeps extending its all-time highs. There we go. 92. Just keeps going and going and going and going. About 11 minutes till the bell. Pulling back, hit 97, pulls back. Yeah. How is Ace? Oh, boom. Ah, almost hit 18, 100, 18.99.75. 18.99 half on the regular. There we go. Now it's trying to get up to all-time highs again, which was on the 12th. I think I said 121, didn't I? Yes, already blowing through its all-time highs. Yeah, 18.121 half all-time highs on NQ. Hard to believe we dropped all the way down to 17,372 on Wednesday. We've gone up by 740 points or so over the last day or so. If my early morning math is correct. If it's not, well, then I'll give you a refund. Up to 113. Pulls back a tad. Crude pulled all the way back from that burst up earlier. Dow's heading up nicely as well. We are near or at all-time highs on all the indices. Not sure about the Russell. Let me go check on the Russell with a few minutes to go here. Russell's not at all-time highs. It's not even really close. So the Russell's a lagger. All-time high on Russell, 2097, it looks like. We're only at 2017, so it'll take a pretty hefty move to get the Russell to all-time highs. Hey, Sid, wondering where you were at. How you doing? So we pulled back 113 down to 101. We are just over 5 minutes till the bell. Well, we know where the place to be at Thanksgiving will be. Push it back up, big blue candle. Well, I think RJ, my guess, and I'm sure Chase will uh, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there's probably a difference between chickens that are grown for meat and chickens that lay eggs. That's my guess. I know nothing. Everyone knows there's no real meat in a chicken nugget. Yeah, exactly. 2 minute warning from Ace. 2 minute warning. Uh, RJ, are you surprised by the lack of moves by the Jays? I asked him less than a minute before the bell. Quick push down here at the bell. Down by 5. Yeah, I thought it was weird. I mean, the AL East is not a division you just kind of stand pat on and hope it works out. I mean, I'm sure they're hoping Vlad has a better season, but here's the push up toward the all-time highs. Oh, 115. Pulling back now. Nope, back up, back down. Up, down, up, down. There it is. New all-time highs on NQ. 18,123. It's still going, rocking and rolling here. Russell's pulling back. ES also at all-time high. Dow at all-time high. Crude dropping hard. Still going, 137. So that whole thing about thinking it was going to come down at the open, this is why I don't actually listen to myself. $140. Long ES. Excellent. Ace. Beautiful moves up here. This is just too high for me. Two points. Great job, Ace. Pulling back now somewhat. So got up to 140. That's still trying. There's another burst up. Pulling back. Oh, wow. Okay, that didn't work. Heading right back up. New high, 45, 145. Looking for something here. Anything. Crude oil. Crude's made new lows on the day. Ultra bond made a new high on the day. Gold just kind of hanging out, as is copper. Trying to come down again. that's not right. What am I looking at? I have no idea. It's trying. Struggling around. There we go. There's a break. Got to break through that 20 EMA. So far the answer is no. Yeah, should have taken the quick win there, it looks like. Maybe not. Come on back down, baby. Entry is 128.75. Everyone got quiet. Russell dead falling there. Trying again. Can't break through. Ah, should have taken the $100. Wow. Yep. Beautiful bounce there if you're long. Not a beautiful bounce if you're short. Yeah, I mean, I was up $100 on this trade. I just didn't take it. I tried to ride the trade out. I mean, my target was my target was 13.75, and it got down to 16. So I should have just went for 10 points there instead of 15. That was the mistake. Yep, and Q trying to retouch the high it made about 10 minutes ago. GameStop. I haven't heard that name in a while. Nvidia is still having a great time. Nvidia hit 820, 821. I'm sorry, no, 823. Sound like an auctioneer. Yeah, it was crazy. What's it trading at now? It's sub 20 now, $20 now, isn't it? AMD dumping. Let's see. GME. Oh yeah, $13.21 now is where GME's at. That period come back down. So if we look at it, first of all, reset chart view. There we go. I went short here, came back up. If I put my stop at this high, it wouldn't have gotten stopped out. And now we're short again. Oh, I'm late. Dang, I'm late. 6 points late. Kind of late. I wanted for the break of 16 anyway, so let's see what it does. Dow long. Wow, switching back to the Dow. So if I hadn't been late, I would already be up like 10 points. Back up to my entry. We're going to put our stop at the top of this candle. It's actually where it should have been in at, but you know. Nice green trade, RJ. There we go. There's a fall. And a bounce right away. Come on, just fall. But what is it after the exchange rate? Dang it. Really? Come on. Come out. Yeah, there you go. Come back down. Don't. So my mistake today is being too greedy. Both I would have had two winning trades at 10 points and I didn't take them. And now they're both going to stop me out. So I should have taken 10 points instead of going for 15. I mean, that one would have gave me 15 if I had gotten it at the right point in time, but. If you haven't already done so, appreciate it. Score that like button. Let the YouTube algorithm know that you like me. Oh yeah, Dow's running. ES is staying up toward its highs there too. I think he was the only big pullback. Well, besides the Russell. Ultra Bond's really having a day down there as well. Nice pop on gold. Here comes NQ trying again to entice me. Nice. I missed it. That ripped down. I should have when it got in and ready to get in when it broke 100, and I wasn't. So several times today, I've been right. I just gotten not haven't used a wide enough stop. By the way, and someone needs to yell at me here because technically I got in here. First of all, I got in late, but my stop should have been above this wick. Instead, I moved it here, and you can see I've still been in this trade if I hadn't gotten out. Nice breakdown here that I missed. That's a 20, 30. It was a 40.5 minute candle. So did it just finally break, or was there some sort of surprise news? Okay, gold popping. Oh, missed the move down. It's popping back up a bit now. See if this is a little pullback and comes back down. Yeah, I was going to ask if you don't mind sharing what was your entry and exit. Beautiful. Fridays have been your good days. Last Friday was your big day. Looks like it has found the bottom. Back up to 18,086. Now we're kind of letting it figure out where it wants to go. Gold pulls back a bit. Ultra ultra bond. You don't you don't want to go long with the ultra bomb. Ultra bond pulling back just a tad. So we are a little bit after the top of the hour. Oh, less than an hour to go in their streams for the week. See if we can get any wins today, because I just been stinking up the joint. Kind of rangy over the last 5-10 minutes here. Trying to figure out where it wants to go and why it wants to go there. I don't know where it's going. Stretching a bit. Sorry about the grunt into the mic. I did not mean to let that out. Back down. Got close to that recent low of 854. Got down to 859. Trying to bounce. And pulling right back down. Kind of hemming and hawing around 18,080. Where are we going to go? Crude oil continuing to push down. Dow hasn't fallen much yet. ES has pulled back just like the NQ has. Well, we appreciate hearing your thesis. Thank you for sharing. Yep. Yes, we have. It's kind of hanging here right now. I barely remember what I had for supper last night, Hassan, more or less last Friday. Let's see. Friday. We had a big sell-off last Friday. And it reversed on the 10 o'clock hour, and then it came back down in the late afternoon. Yeah, Monday was when we hit all-time highs last time. Then it sold off in the afternoon, and then it sold off the next day all day long. Yeah, I think RJ kind of is as well. RJ said 795 for a downside target. I think that was it. That was a long time ago. Long time ago in Bethlehem. Oh, sorry. Please take a picture of yourself in the full bear suit and share it with us. Just trying to pop back up. Everybody else got so quiet. Everybody fall asleep on a Friday. So easy a caveman could do it. On what account, Hassan? An eval or a funded? I forget if you're funded or not. I can't keep up. Oh, that's right. Blue Sky. Blue Sky static. Russell's having a nice pop. And here comes NQ down. So by saying going Neanderthal, how many micros would you do that with? Just one, or would you go multiple micros? All right, that bounce on 58. Again, you can see here if we look at let's just look at the 5-minute chart. See here, 54 was the low, 59, 63. Ooh, now we're at 56. There's a break of 50 down to 48. Struggling to hold that break of 50. Yep, bounces back up. Down to 43 and bounced. Nice rise back up here. How's everyone else doing today? Green, red, somewhere in between. That sounds much better when I say red, green, somewhere in between. Looks like it's trying. It wants to. It's smashing its head against VWAP. 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 Look at Crew continuing to drop. Hopefully Crypto can't get out of his trade. Ultravon having a great day. Agriculture looks mixed, so mostly down. Corn has really been dropping. And dropping again. So look at it on the 1 minute chart here, how it's been respecting that 20 EMA. Came up, purple candle down, purple candle down, purple candle down. Of course, I didn't take any of those, but whatever. Oh, there's a drop. There's 18,039. 200 EMA on the 5 minute charts looming at 18,031. And then bouncing back up. So we keep getting down new lower lows. You can see here, I don't draw trend lines, but if Sid Shades is listening, he will probably be very happy I'm drawing a trend line. You can see how lower lows and bounces. Let's see if it bounces again off that 20. Actually, if I would have been following my strategy to a T, I should say my older strategy. I'm trying to do that whole micro pullback thing that I talked with Josh about. And this has been one of them. I really haven't seen a great setup here with that, but my old strategy would take these purple candles and then taking the blue candles back up. And you can see I could have got doom, 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 doom. I could have got 10 points every time. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And here's another purple candle. Watch it. This is the one that won't work if I take it. And it went away. It's trying to push back down. So we're seeing lower lows, lower highs. Be right back. Wall of congestion. I like that term. I mean, NVIDIA has dropped some. It's back under 800 after hitting 823 for a high. Really kind of looks like that NQ chart when you look at it. Yeah, the Dow's been the happiest today. Shiny happy index is laughing. Oh, Russell's rising. Back up, back up, back up. So just kind of broke that whole higher high. I mean, lower low, lower high thing. Maybe. I mean, do, 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 do. Got back up to 18,073 and quick drop back down to 18,059. I'm staying out at this point. Excellent job, Crypticon. Hey, Burrow, we hit all-time highs on everything, and now we're pulling back some. Ooh, look at that drop real quick. Good luck on that, Hassan. Let us know on the Discord how it worked out for you. Remember, folks, we won't have another stream before those 90% sales end Sunday night. So if you want to take advantage of them, don't forget about it. I will be posting the prop firm discount snapshot videos over the weekend. That's great trading there, Krept. Dropping like it's hot. I think if I had extended that trend line, I just would have hit it. Let's see. Remember, I don't use trend lines, so. But this one, every now and then I see one that looks perfect. Yeah, I wouldn't have hit it yet. Said Chase, you've been quiet today. How have you done? Okay, David, confused. Why would you be happy about that? What's the update on everything, bro? I said we've hit all-time highs, and now we're pulling back. And good morning. And trading has been. I'm down today. I should have had two winners, but my targets are too big and my stops are too small. But that's okay. Oh yeah, that can be that can be some. Which company, David? You can spread them out, right? If you want to. Like I think you have up to 30 days to pay the fee. How do you like Topstep X? I still can't get on Topstep X. I've even sent messages to my two affiliate managers and they haven't replied to me. I'm two different strategies, Burrow. One, the setup hasn't been there much. Yeah, it doesn't integrate with TradingView at all, right, David? Okay. Have a great weekend, John. That's wonderful trading. We'll see you Monday. Don't forget to get those Apex accounts before Sunday night. All right. You have a level you want to go short at, RJ? See, that last 5-minute candle got down to 22, popped back up here. It is giving a purple candle. Popping back up though. They won't penalize you for it. Just need to make sure your other days are near that amount. Just trade, trade your plan, Crip. Don't worry about that. Trade your plan. If for some reason, they do penalize you, then you just, trade 10 more days and then you'll be okay. Gonna be okay. Yep. Not ready to come down yet. Back up to 18,050. Yeah, Nvidia's still trying to hang on to 800, but so far it's not. It's climbing back down that little burst up. Because that's what you agree to and you sign the contract, Crypticon. You wouldn't have a leg to stand on in court. You agree to abide by their rules. All you got to do is put a profit target at a certain level so you don't go over a certain amount. I'm down on the day. I shouldn't be. I placed my targets too far away and my stops too close. There was two that I was going for 15 points on, and if I had gone for 10 points, they would have been winners. But I'll get it figured out here eventually. Yep, that's exactly what RJ just said, Crypticon. Once you agree to trade with someone else's money, you agree to trade by their rules. Nobody's going to give you money and say, do whatever you want to do with it. Gold whipping up. Well, I mean, Apex has paid out $100 million now. So, obviously the people have been able to get their payouts within the parameters that is set. RJ, was that an amputee joke? No, I'm kidding. I'm not a lawyer either, and I don't play one on TV. Set profit targets and stop losses. It's not, that's all you got to do. If you set a profit target, it's not going to blow through it by much. Shoot for, I don't know what that crude trade was, but shoot for 20 ticks, and that's a $200 trade for a contract. And then that it's something that's going to take care of itself. Going to break through this support. 22 was the low of about 20 minutes ago. There we go. There's a break. There. Hey, I got a win to end the stream. Put your hands in the air. Crypt, I highly suggest you talk with Sid. He's talked with a couple other people in here. Hey, I didn't see Tio this morning. Tio being one of them. And DFT, who hasn't been on this week. Wait a minute. Sid, are you like kidnapping these people? No, seriously. I would talk to him. You can do it. You can talk to people. I've seen you live stream a couple of times. Definitely. I recommend talking to Sid. I would. You should never turn down uh, free counseling, advice, whatever you want to call it, from someone that's a multimillionaire, very successful person. If they're willing to give you their time, then you should at least listen, and see if it's something they say resonates with you. Because we all want to see you be successful, Crypticon. I want to see you happy. I don't think it's a time traveler. He's just an all-around good guy. But yeah, that offer, I'm sure he'll keep that offer open for you whenever you're comfortable, Grift. Yep, here it's coming back down. And about ready to hit that 18,000, which was Hassan's first target. So we have reached the top of the hour. We're seeing the drop now. Probably can get in short and just ride this down. I do want to thank everyone. He has Facebook as well, Crypt. I can send you his Facebook on Discord if you like, Crypt. Do want to thank everyone for joining me this week, today too, today, this week, whatever. We'll be back Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. While we watch this drop it like it's hot. Okay, I'll do that. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and we'll talk with you Monday. Have a great one. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.